Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through New Kingston. And New Kingston is the main business district in Jamaica. On the left is the Spanish Court Hotel. On the right is the British High Commission, and that's the British Embassy in Jamaica. On the left is St. Lucia Avenue, but we're on Trafalgar Road, and we're going to turn left onto Knutsford Boulevard, which is the main road in Jamaica. Sorry, the main road in New Kingston. On the left, we just passed the Texaco gas station. So we're now turning left onto Knutsford Boulevard. So straight ahead is the JPS building, and on the ground floor you have BNS. On the left now you have NCB 127 Knutsford. On the right is the Sutherland building. We're passing GMB on the left, Tasty Factories Corporation of Jamaica, GK General, that's life insurance, CIBC First Caribbean Bank. That's the Sutherland building on the right. On the left is the Victoria Mutual building. Straight ahead now, to the left, that's the Sagicor Sigma building. That used to be the Citibank building. The white building on the right is the Pan Caribbean Center. And the Sagicor Sigma and the Pan Caribbean Center are some of the tallest buildings in Jamaica. On the left, we're passing Starbucks Coffee. On the right is the Porsche dealership. And then on the left, you have Pizza Hut, Island Grill, Burger King. We're not even going to bother comment on the persons of stopping and blocking the road because it's an everyday occurrence in Jamaica. Here you have more. I think once you put on these hazard lights, it means it's okay. There's Juicy Patties, you have JN Money Bank, you have a few restaurants between the Juicy Patties and the bank. Straight ahead you have the Total gas station, and behind the Total is KFC. There was a time that if you were to park like that in New Kingston and block up the traffic, block the main road, you get a ticket. But I don't know if that happens anymore. And even with the government saying they're coming with this new traffic law, new traffic bill, you still need somebody to enforce the rules. And the rules are, today with the existing traffic law, you're not supposed to park and block the road like that, the main road like that. So even with the new traffic laws, you're still going to need somebody to enforce it. And ironically, this is the police station, and see the police officers out there, and a few feet away you have people blocking a main road. Alright, on the left is a call center, then you have a casino. Now on the right is the Wyndham Hotel. Oh, sorry, it used to be the Wyndham, it was bought out by the Courtley Hotel Group, and they are renovating it, and it looks like making it even bigger to reopen under the Courtley name. So we're now turning on to St. Lucia Avenue, and on the right is the ICII building. On the left is First Global, a branch. And you have Canopy Insurance Limited. Then on the right is the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce. We're now turning left onto Barbados Avenue, where you have a lot more business places, and there you can get a nice view of the Victoria Mutual building on the right. Hi guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.